Hi there folks, I'm Chris here at Apple Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Hanover. Some of the things you need to do before you get your vehicle on the road this summer are very important things, like making sure your tire pressure is fully inflated to the proper PSI. That way you're getting your best out of your fuel economy and you're not starting off your day with a flat tire. So make sure you're checking the tires for any nails, flat tires before you move on the road. Also, coming up in the summertime for your trips, you want to make sure your battery tests good. So please feel free to swing on through, make sure your battery is fully charged and you're not going to be left stranded somewhere. Also, things like washer fluid, don't want to be driving down the road, a giant bird leaves a lovely present on your windshield and you can't get it off. So things like checking your fluids, making sure they're the right where they're supposed to be at, like your windshield washer fluid or your radiator fluid, because you don't want your engine to overheat, especially in the hot temperatures we're going to be getting this summer. Also, you want to make sure maybe your FREON is nice and filled, so you have nice frosty AC as this heat starts coming in here. So make sure your AC is blowing cold. Don't want to be stuck in traffic somewhere on that long trip and you're regretting that you didn't get it checked out. Make sure your oil's topped off, because that's the last thing. Your engine needs to make sure it's running good on oil. So make sure you have proper oil in your engine. Also, lastly but not least, make sure you drive safe and you're properly equipped for your trip. So if you want, swing on by and we're happy to check these out for you before you make on any trips. Swing on through, we'll get you all checked out. Again, I'm Chris. You can also see Wes or Christine are here with us at Hanover.